Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mriganka and I am the soft skills trainer for Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Welcome to In-depth. Cooking is a skill. It is something that you learn out of years and years of practice. The beauty about cooking is that, of course, cooking is an art, but it has a lot of science that is there associated with it. So today we are here in the food production lab of Inspiria Knowledge Campus, and we're going to get to learn a little bit about what is it that the students of hotel management do. So, hi Devin.
Hello sir.
So which semester are you in?
I'm currently in second semester.
Second semester. And what are you making today?
So we are preparing a French classical dish, fish and papillote and cream of chicken soup with fondant potatoes.
Wow man, I really like the sound of that. Alright, I'll leave you to it. Please get going. Hi Ashwini.
Hi.
So Ashwini, I just wanted to know that the fact that you guys get to learn, all this in food production lab for over the course of 3 years. So what do you think, what are your future plans? What do you want to do after doing this graduation course?
I think I want to work for like 3 years and gain some experience, and I think I want to start up my own business. Yeah.
Very nice. And there are so many options to join and do your hotel management course from in and around Siliguri. So why did you join Inspiria?
So I joined Inspiria because I think the infrastructure is very nice out here, and I think the faculties are very nice. They're like supportive and they listen like what we have to say, and I think I'll be able to grow out here and pursue my dreams. Yeah, that's why I joined Inspiria.
All right, well done. I'll leave you to it. Please continue doing what you're doing.
Sure, thank you.
So amongst us here we have Chef Anirban, who is also the assistant professor in the Department of Hotel Management. Hello sir.
Hello, I'm Mriganka.
So sir, I wanted to ask you that in the 3-year curriculum that the students have, what are the things that they're learning here in the, at least as far as food production is concerned?
In Inspiria, we follow, obviously we have to follow the Macaut syllabus, and suggested by the Macaut is very vividly balanced syllabus in food production. First year we have continental cuisines and the basics of the cooking. We try to impart them the basic idea of cooking and baking, and we emphasize on their skills to where they hone and they can shine in their future. The basics of the food production in the first year. Second year they learn about their Indian cuisines, the regional cuisines of India, and the bulk production as well. And in the third year they are specializing on their different cooking and the cuisines like Mediterranean cuisine or French or Italian. We guide them on that basis. They can choose their path on that skill. And in Inspiria we focus on students development through learning by their own hand.
Right, of course. So when learning by doing is the best form of learning, I believe.
Yes.
And from what you said, the curriculum, it is a holistic approach.
Correct.
You have for the international cuisines also. You also have the regional cuisines and everything. So what are the different skills that the students are learning here?
First of all, the students of the hospitality management, they learn their attitude towards the work, their body language, their skills. Obviously, it's a very skillful job, and innovations, their ideas, new generation ideas, plating ideas, designing ideas, with the combination of classic cooking, which is very important, I feel, as a chef instructor here. And we focus on that, and then they learn, as I have mentioned earlier, that they do and then they learn.
Right. Yes. Of course, sir. So, the kids that they're learning so many things here, right? And, what are the different future prospects that the students can have? Because from all I know is it is not restricted only to be working in the hotel industry, right?
Correct.
What are the different prospects that the students can have after taking this 3-year course?
So basically we have a very strict idea about the hotel industry, that they will work only in the hotel or in the restaurants. So after completing their 3 years B.Sc degree course from Inspiria, they will not only be focused on their hotel career only. They can start their own restaurants, they can do their food artist, or they can be their mixologist, they can start their own restaurant, as I mentioned earlier as well, and they will work as a hotelier too. So this is a very multiverse, you can say, and this is a course which has been designed on that basis. They can choose different career, not only sticking as a chef, not only the F&B personnel, they can be the sommelier, they can be the mixologist, they can choose their career as their own restaurateur, and they can go abroad for their further study as well.
Right, thank you so much, sir. So as Chef Anirban has to say that whatever the students are learning here does not restrict them in a particular industry as to what are the options that they have or what are the prospects that they have in order to make a career. Whatever they're learning here is making them ready for a variety of options and a variety of industries and a variety of career paths that they can choose in order to form a successful future. Right? Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Mriganka. It's a very hot place.
It indeed is. I am sweating noticeably so, but then that's how kitchens are supposed to be.
And after this sweat, they will prepare some beautiful preparations and the dishes. They are doing their practical class today, as you can see.
Right.
And we will enjoy the delicious food at the end.
Of course, looking forward to it, sir.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
So this, ladies and gentlemen, was an insight into one of the practicals of HHA, where we learned about the different things that are there in the curriculum and also the different skills that the kids are learning, which helps them in their career, whether they want to do a job or they want to pursue themselves as an entrepreneur. This is me signing off for this episode. I'll see you around in the next one. Till then, take care and do what you love.